G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Locksport, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day all, how you all going? Now this is the last bag of King Edward potatoes. Looks like some more freshly stuff here is going to be growing, but we're going to basically take it out of there, go through that, take out the dirt so we can have a look at the quality of the dirt, just go through there and we'll put extra stuff into it when we want to. These were planted the 28th of the 7th 2017 and there's 4 in here. So we're going to check how many we got there today. I won't worry about recording me pulling it apart, you don't need to see that. I'll record the end result of how many we got left. And as I said before, the soil's, it's not the best, it's dried out a bit. So what I'm going to want to do is go through it all, freshen it up, and put some more poo into it as well, just freshen it up and put it back into the bag. So I'll keep going with that, and I've got the box at the front to do as well. That's going to be a big one. So anyway, enjoy this little video. I'll stop this now and we'll go to the next section when we count it all up. Welcome back. Now, after going through this bag here, I pretty much have to use these gloves because it's pretty much wet. And you can see the worms in there. I've pretty much dug what I could out. There might be some more tiny, very tiny ones in there, but I doubt it. But that's all just really wet stuff there. So it's pretty good for whatever we're planting there. Again, I'll just put this over it and maybe put some extra stuff in there just to help the next plants along. But we pretty much got this. It wasn't very much, pretty much garbage I'd say. We got 11 decent spuds out of it, that's about it. So that was a failure, so 4 to 11, not very good odds. But I'll show you, I'll stop this camera and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing next, if I want to get a chance to. Yeah, before I go on, I'm surprised how wet that was still in the bag, because it hasn't been watered for ages. It's been left underneath the carport for a while and hadn't been watered. Now, this is my next step. We've got 4 different types of spuds we've planted in here. I've taken a photo of each one. So we've got 4 different rows and haven't watered it for a while. What I'll do is I'll just dig out each row and count how many I've got in each row from each type of different spud. Now we've got the garlics. I've got 2 so far out of this one growing. I think I've got 2 more growing in the other one. It's just a matter of hoping these garlics take off. What I might do is get some more garlic, and once I pull this apart and refresh it, put garlics in here and see how they just grow in one bed. Oh well, you'll take it easy.